Hi everybody. In today's video I will teach you how to work with Rollup summary field on Salesforce and what they are all about. Okay, so Rollup summary basically, as a theory, it's a field type where usually it works and you can create this on object that is connected to the child object and they have relationship as a master detail relationship. Okay, so you can build those out of box in admin, but you can also create a rollup summary on lookup. But for that, you are required to do some custom code or utilize some of the automation tools, such as Flow. For now, I'll just show you how to do and create this on object that is connected to another object as a master detail. So without any ado, here's the I have created an app called Hollywood, and then we have tabs, right? Actors, movies, platform, promoters, and studio. Here's the data structure between all of this, and as I was mentioning, actor and studio have a relationship between each other as the master detail relationship, right? Meaning actor is a master of the studio. Cool. So for now we know studio. Keep in mind how many fields it has, right? So we want to display some field on a parent record object that will basically describe some total account, total amount, total sum, or minimum or maximum of it's a child. So it will basically show some the data that belongs to its child. So for example, let's actually go to an example, and I have a record which for this one, let's go to the studios. We have Las Vegas studio, and then we have a cost, right? Cost of that Las Vegas studio is 250,000, right? So for example, if I go to the actors, which is a parent object, I can click the one of the record and see to the related studios. Currently I have 3 studios, right? Each of them has different prices. So what if I would like to see which one has the minimum amount, right? And I want to display it somewhere in details, like in here. For example, I'm showing total studios, right? I have 3 studios, so it actually is showing me 3 studios right here. So it basically went and calculate account. But in this case, let's say I want to show you guys how much those studios are all together, and I will display this on the parent object, which is in this case actor. In this case is Leonardo DiCaprio, right? So in order to do that, I have to go to the parent. I have to go to the parent object, and that's the actor. Let's go to fields and relationship. Let's create a new field. It's going to be a roll-up summary. Here's the description. Read-only field. So it's a read-only field that displays the sum, minimum, or maximum value of a field in a related list or records count of all records listed in the related list, right? That's what I was just basically explaining to you. Let's click next. Field label. So we will be associating the total cost of studios. Field name automatic populated. Help text. Let's keep this for now. Description. So here's the important part, right? So we know the master object is an actor, and then what we would like to summarize. We need to summarize some object of the child. In this case, it's the studios. in here, currently you see the count, right? Count of records in this case. But I do want to show the sum of a specific field. As you can see, a field aggregate is not active yet, just yet, because I haven't selected the sum or min or max. So if I select max, and I will say I will associate the studio cost field that I have, or I can also show which one is the minimum count or price in studio of my child. But I want to show the sum. Let's do that. Let's click next. Let's click next. Save that. So let's see, let's actually double check if it's on my page layout first. Total cost of studios, right? Okay, it's here. Let's display it right above total studios. Save that. Let's give it a try. I'm going to Leonardo DiCaprio, so I should be able to see this field with total prices of each studio. Let's refresh that. Nice. You can see it's $800,000. So basically it went to each record and added the studio cost for each 250, 500, and then 50. Meaning it's gonna be 800,000. So that's what Rollup summary do, guys. Like the video, hopefully it's informative and you enjoyed it. Thank you.